I think at the root, we open, we honest, we provide an opportunity for our members, for our students to learn with and from each other.
I think our core value's got to be integrity, both the integrity of the practitioner and our relationship with our client. And I think if we get that right, then everything else comes from that, the quality, the relationships, the professionalism, the level of training, all of that comes from the integrity of MTI as an organisation.
The integrity is about being working from an evidence base, working from a very person-centred perspective. So massage therapy is always two people working together, and it's about working with individuals, tailoring treatments. So it's not about having a mentality that you're going to go out there and fix people, that you are actually going to be working alongside and helping people, and it makes it more complex. It makes it more interesting.